make sure the camera's on. So it's gonna, you know, there's a blue light's gonna come on the front. Long press it to turn it on. Blue light on the front's gonna come on. So you quickly double tap on the front button. So it's gonna vibrate for like, you know, a couple seconds, and then the light in the front is gonna turn green. It's gonna flash. So now it's in Wi-Fi mode. So once you do that, you hit the Wi-Fi on your phone, search for the, you know, the camera. In this case, it's H88. So you hit that. So you're checking, and the first time you connect with it, it's gonna ask you for the password. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you connect with it. Oh, these updates are annoying me. You connect with it. So you want to access something called Viidure, Viidure. It's available on, you know, Android and Apple. So once it connects, hopefully. So there you go. So there's my hand. You can take a picture. Yeah, this app is slow. For me anyway. You turn, using this, you could turn the microphone on or off. You can rotate it with that one, with this little thing up front and the top on the picture. Into your camera settings. So you get sound recording, photo resolution, video resolution. You can adjust all these different things. Loop recording duration, exposure settings, exposure compensation. Watermark on or off. That's the, you know, the watermark, the time date stamp on the bottom. Camera language, you know, all this crap. How do you download or access the photos or the videos that you recorded? Camera file. Hit that on the bottom. So you can go all through all the different things. Like these are deliveries that I made today. Body cam video. You can access all the different videos and pictures that you took. There. You hit the pictures. You download, you got a little download button. You download, that's how you download. You download into your phone, all that different kind of stuff. With the last one, select, or you could just select it and download it. It's gonna take a while, you know. 100% downloaded. So it took about, I don't know, 3.5 minutes or so to download that. A 10-minute clip, about a gigabyte, just about a gigabyte. 943 megabytes. That's downloaded. So you can access it, I guess, when you get into your phone. So you go into your internal storage and in your phone, and you go to Viidure. There's today's date and time right now. And there you go. That's how you access it. You gotta go into the folder in your phone. Internal storage, DCIM. That's the path. Viidure.